Mr. Speaker.
Is there any objection?
Mr. Speaker, may I give a response before a vote is made
Is
on
there
that?
any objection?
I
There
object.
was a motion.
I
Is there
object.
any objection?
I object.
The chair hears none.
I object. I object. Objection.
Let's
Because
put it
Congressman
into a vote.
Garjola gave money to
All
leaders of
those
my
in
district for
favor
Vilma
of
and
the
Lucky.
motion of the Honorable Garin, please say aye.
Politicians, Batangas can test.
Aye!
All those against?
Objection.
Motion is now carried.
I just have a point of order, Mr. Speaker.
What is the point of
There
order?
were specific allegations.
Honorable Ridon.
There were specific allegations relating to other regions outside of Calabarzon that are spending so much more during their elections. I think it is not based on truth. It is not based on fact. It should be stricken off the record. I move to strike that particular section out of the record, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, I believe I was interpolating and the Honorable J.J. Suarez was allowed to interject. May I proceed with my line of questioning? Lipat lang po ako dun sa...
Mr. Speaker, you have to decide on a point of order.
Majority Leader, there was a point of order raised by the Honorable Ridon.
Just for clarification, the point of order is to delete from the records.
Yes, to strike off from the record the allegation that other regions outside of Calabarzon are actually spending more than areas within Calabarzon. I think that is not based on fact. That is not based on truth. It should be stricken out of the record. That is the first point of order.
Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker.
Please respond to the point of order.
Move to strike out, Mr. Chair. Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, I move to strike out the comments made earlier.
Is
by
there any objection
Honorable
to the
Levistan.
motion? Chair hears none, said motion is carried.
Second point of order, Mr. Speaker. The speech by the good congressman from Batangas doesn't appear to be a speech relating to personal and collective privilege. It has branched out to matters that are outside of it. So I think even this particular speech in its entirety should be stricken off the record, Mr. Speaker.
Majority Leader, there's another point of order.
Mr. Speaker, I move to strike out the...
Mr. Speaker, I object.
There was a motion, duly objected. Duly objected. We now put the motion into a vote to strike out entirely the privileged speech of the other
Personal and collective.
personal and collective privilege of the Honorable Leviste. All those in favor, please say aye. All those against, please say nay.
Nay.
The ayes have it. Said the motion is now approved.
Sorry, I object. I Mr. think there were Speaker. a lot of nays as well. Can we have a roll call vote?
Mr. Speaker, I move to suspend session. Sir, I would like to recognize the Honorable Janet Garin from the First District of Iloilo.
The Honorable Deputy Speaker Janet Garin is now recognized.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Kanina po ay narinig natin ang motion ni Honorable Terry Ridon moving that the speech of the Honorable Leviste be stricken out of the records because it's not a matter of personal and collective privilege. May I appeal to the Honorable Terry Ridon that his motion be instead amended to a motion to delete the statements made by the Honorable Leviste attributing to statements not being backed up by evidence. Specifically, the statements alleging that the campaign of Governor Recto
Mr. Speaker.
and other members of
Mr.
the
Speaker.
party were financed by another party list congressman, and all other allegations that cannot be backed up by documents and evidence.
Mr. Speaker.
Is there any objection?
Mr. Speaker, may I give a response before a vote is made
Is
on
there
that?
any objection?
I
There was
object.
a motion.
I
Is there
object.
any objection?
I object.
The chair hears none.
I object. Objection.
Let's
Because
put it
Congressman
into a vote.
Garjola gave money to
All
leaders of my
those in
district
favor
for Vilma
of
and
the
Lucky.
motion of the Honorable Garin, please say aye.
Politicians, Batangas can test.
Aye!
All those against?
Objection.
Motion is now carried. Honorable Majority Leader.
May I proceed with my interpellation, Mr. Speaker?
Objection, Mr. Speaker.
Majority Leader. Majority Leader.
Privilege speech po yan. Bakit kailangan i-attach yung ebidensya agad? Seryoso.
Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, session suspended.
Yeah,
Mr.
manifestation.
Speaker, would like to recognize Congressman Terry Ridon of Bicol Hero Party List.
The Honorable
Statement
Ridon
I made
is
about
now
unions outside
recognized.
Batangas.
Majority Leader. Majority Leader. The Honorable Ridon is now recognized. Please proceed.
No, we will defer to the next interpolator, Mr. Speaker.
Can you please repeat, sir?
We will defer to Deputy Speaker Garin. for
Okay, the Honorable
interpolation.
Janet Garin will have to continue since she was interrupted during the first sequence of her interpellations. Please proceed, Ma'am D.S. Garin.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. Sa atin, of course, kagalang-galang na kulig. Sana hindi mo masamain yung motion. Mr. Speaker, just to clarify, hindi ko po kinukontra. In fact, I'm a very good friend of the Honorable Leviste. But the only reason that I had to amend the motion of the Honorable Ridon is that meron po tayong proseso. And it's for the best interest of the Honorable Leviste to file a case, produce the evidence, rather than taking the rostrum and making allegations that cannot be documented. Pero ibalik po natin, Mr. Speaker, pasensya na po kung Lian, meron po ba kayong away na politika sa Batangas? Or kayo po ay magkakasama?
Actually, ma'am, yung meeting ko with Congressman Garjola and Secretary Recto on April 15 or 16, as per my Facebook post, was for them to ask for my help for the campaign of Vilma and Lucky.
Yeah, I'm
After
sorry,
which,
Mr. Speaker, what year po? April?
2025,
So this was before?
para tulungan ko sila para sa 2025 elections. Dahil ang panalo ni Vilma kay Mike Rivera ay 7+% lamang. At nanalo siya sa aking distrito at natalo pa nga siya sa ibang mga distrito. Kaya pwede kong sabihin, kaya siya nanalo dahil sa panalo niya sa aking distrito. Ako po ay may 75% ng boto, siya ay nakakuha ng 42% ng boto. Pero yung siguro relasyon namin ay naging fractured dahil baka feeling threatened. Siguro, just my speculation, and sorry to delve into speculation, sila pagkatapos ng eleksyon. At ang isang halimbawa nito ay nung April 24, bumisita si Pangulong Marcos para sa bawat barangay makikinabang sa Batangas at may 84 barangays na hindi binigyan ng kanilang 200,000 pesos.
Matanong ko po, Mr. Speaker, 84 lang po ba ang hindi nakatanggap sa Batangas? Kasi dito sa records ko, lumalabas na 95.
Yung sa ibang distrito, hindi ko na po alam. Pero yung 84 na to ay lahat ng barangays sa dalawang bayan na nagsasabi, nag-submit sila, meron din kaming screenshots ng kanilang group chat na in-acknowledge na nag-submit sila, pero gumawa ng bagong group chat ang Liga ng Barangays ng Batangas na hiwalay sa dalawang bayan na to at sinabi daw na para lang sa mga bayan na ito ang bigayan. At sinabi sa kanila na ang Office of the Provincial Governor ay magdedesisyon kailan ibibigay yung 200,000 pesos sa mga barangays na ito.
Yeah. Balikan ko lang po yan, Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleague. Honorable Lian Leviste, ito bang 200,000 sa bawat barangay? Ang sinasabi mo ba ay merong piling barangay at hindi lahat ang binibigyan?
110% base sa mga inilabas na naming ebidensya at mabuti kung magpatawag ng pagdinig ang Kongreso para hindi lang he said, she said, para magkaalaman na tayo kung anong totoo.
Kasi Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleague, ako po ay tubong Leyte. At doon nga po sa Tacloban City, merong mga hindi nabigyan, hindi dahil sa politika, no? Kundi dahil hindi sila nakasubmit ng mga dokumento. At totoo po ba, Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleague, na merong ibang mga barangay na walang dalang resibo? Ang tanong ko, Mr. Speaker, kapag walang resibo po ba, pwedeng mabigyan ng ating DILG or DOF or whatever agency is tasked with that?
May I respond, Madam Speaker? Nasa Facebook page ko po yung screenshots ng group chat na nagsasabi na hindi kasali itong dalawang barangays. At sila po ay nag-submit. Meron din naman pong group chat na nagsasabi na nakapag-submit sila. Kaya base po sa matibay na ebidensya at ayon sa kanilang testimonya, sinabi sa kanila ng Office of the Provincial Governor na hindi talaga sila kasama. Kaya para you don't just take it from me, magpatawag na lang ng pagdinig ang Kongreso tungkol sa bagay na ito.
Mr. Speaker, distinguished colleague, kanina kasi narinig ko lang yung 6 billion at tila nakakaingit yung foundation ni Congressman Lian. Yung foundation niyo po ay namimigay ng tulong at ang 6 billion ay nanggaling po sa inyo.
Opo, at wala pong contractor na nagbibigay sa akin ng suporta para sa eleksyon.
You
Yun ang
have
punto
1
ko.
minute, honorable members. Please wrap up.
So, Mr. Speaker, may I reiterate, ang 6 billion po ay donasyon nyo.
In cash and shares at hindi ko po natapos pa ang aking bigayan. Tuloy-tuloy ang libreng serbisyo medikal. Nakaraang linggo, nagbigay po tayo ng libreng serbisyong medikal sa medical mission sa aking distrito. Meron din tayong relief goods na inihahanda para sa darating na typhoon season. At kahit walang eleksyon, natutuwa lang ako na mamigay ng pera na alam ko ay galing sa malinis na panggagalingan.
At pag sinabi niyo pong malinis na pinanggagalingan, saan po ito nanggaling, Honorable Lian?
Binenta ko ang shares sa aking kumpanya at ako po ay may business career na nasa public record at
Ano pong kumpanya ito, Mr. Speaker?
yung SP New Energy Corporation na binenta ko sa Meralco na lahat po ay nasa public record.
At dito po nanggaling.
Deputy Speaker, I believe we have exhausted too much time in
Yeah.
this topic.
Thank you very much.
Please wrap
Pero
up.
Yes,
nananawagan
last
din ako na
question.
gumawa ng pagdinig ang
Last
Kongreso
question,
tungkol
Mr.
sa tagong
Speaker.
yaman ng ibang mga
Majority
kongresista. Dahil
Yeah.
ako ay hindi
Mr.
nagtatago
Speaker,
ng aking mga
the time allotted for
Pero ang
Representative
ibang
Eleviste
kongresista,
has already expired.
Yeah.
I move to refer the speech, including the manifestations and interpellations, to the Committee on Rules.
There's a motion to refer the privileged speech to the Committee on Rules. Any objection? Chair hears none. Motion is approved. Majority Leader,
I move to suspend the session.
session suspended. Session is resumed. Majority Leader,
Mr. Speaker, I would like to recognize Representative Laila De Lima.
Thank you, Mr.
the
Speaker.
Honorable De Lima is recognized.
Yes, I know that there is this pending motion about referring the matter already to the proper committee or terminating the period of terminating the privileged speech of Representative Leandro Leviste. Now, but this is an important parliamentary inquiry, status inquiry, because, you know, for clarity. Yes, we heard the motion of Representative Garin on the deletion or striking out of those portions or parts of the privileged speech without basis. I am very interested as to exactly are those, specifically, because during the break, during the suspension, this representation approached Representative Leviste, and I was asking him about his claim, the general claim, that everybody in this hall has engaged in vote buying. So I was telling him, can you please withdraw that particular portion because we find it offensive. For the record, this representation does not engage in any vote buying in any elections, including the last elections of 2025. And I remember Representative Leviste saying that he is willing to withdraw that particular portion. So may we ask Representative Leviste if in fact that is the case, that he has withdrawn, that he is withdrawing that portion because it has no basis, it has no evidence, it's purely speculative, it's offensive, it's unfair to everybody here in this hall. Can we have the answer, please? Because that
I
is a
request the
parliamentary
Majority Leader
inquiry.
Yes.
to respond.
Mr. Speaker, while we appreciate the sentiments of the Honorable Laila De Lima, I believe part of what she was espousing with regards to the contents of the speech was already part of the motion that be stricken off. Was already part of the motion in which parts of the speech be stricken off in which there was no basis, fact, or evidence.
I understand, Mr. Speaker and Mr. Majority Leader, but we would want it from the mouth himself of Representative Leviste about that withdrawal.
Majority Leader.
Mr.
He's not
Speaker,
just striking out, it's in fact withdrawal on his part.
that being the
Pwede po ba?
case, Mr. Speaker, I move to recognize the Honorable Levise.
Thank you,
The
Mr.
Honorable
Speaker.
Leviste is now recognized.
First, I would like to clarify that I meant that there are some, but not all. And there are many members of Congress who do not violate election laws. So please do not consider that I said that all. And I definitely withdraw that there are...
Mr. Speaker, the request of this representation is that it's with respect to the withdrawal. No need for any explanation. Is he withdrawing?
Yes, but I
That
think also
portion of
for,
the speech.
for the benefit of the
Majority
people who are
Leader.
listening,
Mr. Speaker,
I
Majority Leader.
believe that
Order.
party lists
Doesn't
not
need
allowed
Majority
to
Leader.
not by votes for the most part. And
Mr.
that,
Speaker.
there are many districts in this country where you also don't buy votes, but there are some that do.
Majority Leader.
Some,
yes,
not all.
Mr. Speaker,
Yes.
given the withdrawal, I move, or I would like to repeat the motion that we refer the question of collective and personal privilege to the Honorable Leviste, to the Committee on Rules, as well as its interpellation.
The floor
I
has
so move.
decided already and was referred to the Committee on Rules. Majority Leader.
Mr. Speaker, I move to suspend session.
Session suspended.